How to cancel Discord Nitro. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So there are two of the ways to cancel out your Discord Nitro subscription. First and foremost, within your Discord mobile application, head back from your channel, then tap on the U icon. Head over to the setting gear option at the top right corner. From here, under account settings, instead of get Nitro, you may have the option such as manage your Nitro subscription, or you need to check out the billing section. Now over here, if you have got yourself the Nitro subscription, you will have the option to edit, manage or cancel out your Discord Nitro subscription, and with a simple click you'll be able to cancel out the subscription. Now, for the alternative way, you can tap open your Play Store if you are an Android user. Select on the user icon and head over to payment and subscription. Tap on the option of subscriptions. Over here, you should find the option of Discord Nitro subscription, to which you can cancel out through here. By this way, you'll be able to cancel your Discord Nitro in your mobile app. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.